So you got yourself an acoustic guitar, and now the first thing you need to do is learn the names of the guitar strings. So it's time to learn the names of the guitar strings. So we're going to start with this top string, which is actually going to be the low E string. And then we have A, D, G, B, and then the high E string, E. So the easy way to remember this is Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So that's going to be E, A, D, G, B, E. So those are the names of the guitar strings. It's very important to remember those guitar string letter names because we're going to be referencing back to them a lot during your guitar learning journey. And I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless.